In this video, you'll learn how to set up accounts for guests to connect to your Wi-Fi network for a limited amount of time. The accounts will allow guests to connect to your FortiGate's Wi-Fi network after authenticating using a captive portal. To make management easier, you'll also create a separate administrative account for creating and managing guest accounts. In this example, a FortiAP in tunnel mode is used to provide Wi-Fi access to guests. Go to User and Device, User Groups, and create a new group for Wi-Fi guests. Enter Guest Wi-Fi Group for the name and set the type to Guest. Set user ID to email, password to auto-generate, and expire type to after first login. You can leave the default expiry time set to 4 hours. Go to Wi-Fi and Switch Controller SSID and create a new SSID that'll use captive portal. Set traffic mode to tunnel to wireless controller. Assign an IP network mask to the interface and enable the DHCP server. Scroll down and under Wi-Fi settings, set the security mode to captive portal. Enter a name for the SSID and then set the user groups to the Wi-Fi guest user group. Go to Wi-Fi and Switch Controller, FortiAP Profiles, and edit the profile that's used by the FortiAP. Scroll down and set Radio 1 or 2 to broadcast the new SSID, and select OK. Go to Policy and Objects, IPv4 Policy, and create a new policy for Wi-Fi guests. Name the policy Guest Wi-Fi. Set the incoming interface to the guest SSID, outgoing interface to your internet-facing interface, and source to the guest user group you created. Configure the rest of your settings as normal, and lastly, make sure that NAT is enabled. You can also go to System Administrators to create an admin account to handle guest user management. This simplifies guest account creation, and you can add new accounts easily without needing full administrative access to the FortiGate. Set a username and password for the account. Set the type to local user and set restrict admin to guest account provisioning only. Then set the guest group to the Wi-Fi guest user group. Now you can sign into the FortiGate using the new admin account, and you'll see a simplified guest user management dashboard. From the reception account, create a new guest user. Set email to the user's email address, and to test the account, set the expiration to 3 minutes. After you select OK, you'll see a notification that confirms that the user was created successfully. You can either print or email the password to the user. First, copy the password provided and then connect to the guest Wi-Fi. An authentication screen will pop up, and you can sign in using the user email and password. After the account is authenticated, you can connect to the internet. You can browse the internet, but 3 minutes after your initial login, your guest user account will expire, and you won't be able to log in using those credentials. Use the reception account to log back in, and the guest account should be listed as expired. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials like this one, subscribe to our channel or view the text version here.